do a quick review of this that I bought a couple of weeks ago when I was in Barberville in that tiny Walmart. Well, okay. So here's my problem. This thing right here will not hold my phone. Number one, because you hit this thing right here and it pops it up, okay, then you close it to the phone, but if the phone barely moves, you hear it, it won't hold. And last night when I was making my video about the lady in white on 38, I got this from this, and I hate this thing. No, $11 and something down the drain because this is crap. Don't buy this.